Today's corporate and private aircraft are unmatched in their ability to provide safe and efficient transportation to all corners of the world. Unfortunately, that efficiency often ends when it comes to maintenance activities. But how would you like to get multiple qualified maintenance quotes in less than 15 minutes? Currently, every time you need to quote some type of maintenance or upgrade, you have to fill out multiple forms and email them to multiple MROs, then stand by to answer questions. That is anything but efficient. Today, there's a much faster, easier, and efficient way to get accurate quotes from MROs that are qualified and experienced to service your aircraft on your schedule. Welcome to MROinsider.com. Once you have opened a free account at MRO Insider, the quotes you need are just a few quick clicks away. Select the aircraft from your virtual hangar. Click on Request a Quote and fill in the information. Select the scope of the work you need done: airframe, avionics, engines, paint, interior, wheels and brakes, even AOG support. Type in the date you need the work completed. Upload any photos or additional information about the project. Then submit your RFQ. That's all there is to it. In less than 5 minutes, you've completed a task that used to take hours. When you receive your quotes, you can read profiles and reviews for each MRO to help you decide on the best solution. With MRO Insider, you're saving time and money over the old way of requesting quotes, and the best part is it's all free. As an added bonus, MRO Insider is now offering a premium rewards program. Every quote request earns you points toward a variety of gifts, once-in-a-lifetime experiences, and other valuable incentives. Aircraft owners and operators, there are no commission fees, no broker fees, and no hidden costs. MRO Insider, your link to hassle-free aircraft maintenance.